couple of times on their last possession. Rockets come the other way. Rockets will be looking to sweep Toronto as well. Ball double, goes to Capella, out to Gord, shoots for three, would be his ninth, it misses. And the rebound to Gord Hayward. Yeah, so both teams were red hot from three in the quarter. Here's Tice. Goes in the corner left side, Tatum for three, good. 19-point game, 100-81.
What an odd way to celebrate birthday 21. It's 3 of 9 for the floor with 8 points.
And you know, Matt, there's always a 50-50 chance I might just affect the Canada every time we go.
Well, you do single Canada quite well.
Yeah. I love that answer, by the way. Here's Gordon. Capella. Bounce pass left-hand corner. Garrett Clark is out there. Fake for three. Reset. Shoots for three. Nope. And Brown with the fourth token minutes here for Clark. The Fareed still out with the hip issues. Tried to give it a go, but could not play. Brown driving in on Clark. Draws a foul. Hits the layup, and one for Brown.
Well, you'd like to keep James on the bench as long as possible. Typically around the 8-minute mark of the fourth quarter is when the Heart comes into that final stretch. You won't lose too much ground here.
Free throws good for Brown. So, 16-point game. 100-84. Still just under 10 and a half to go. So plenty of time for Boston to get themselves in position to threaten. Gordon to Paul, around a Capella pick, working the corner, doubled. Comes down the right baseline, does Paul, skips it across the Rivers, he attacks. Comes out to Gordon, spots up for an open three, it's in the air, and it is no good. Another wide open shot missed there after the red-hot start for Gordon. So he's missed 3 straight threes after starting 8 of 9. Brown with Tatum over Gordon, corner three up and long. Rebound to Clint Capella, number 8 to go on with 8 points. 5:55 remaining in Boston. Ball circles right. Comes back out, intended for Rivers, deflected by Hayward. Ball is loose, picked up by Rozier. Gets it ahead to Hayward, and he will dunk it. And this